This is transposition. So let's begin. First we shuffle the card, but let's say this trick teleport because it's more awesome. So the teleport trick. We can shuffle the cards, we can cut the cards, okay, but we need one card to be selected. So let's say we select this one, okay. We take that card, the Jack of Clubs, okay, and we put the Jack of Clubs down here. Now we take half of the deck and we put face up on the table. We spread face up on the table. Now we put your card on the middle. So you can see the face down card into the face up packet. Okay. Now we spread here with face up, with face down everything. Now we turn over these cards and the cards disappear. It's not here anymore. But if we turn over this pack, one card is turned over face down, and that's the Jack of Clubs, your card. See you next time. Bye bye.